Hey everyone, my name is JI and welcome to the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. Today we're diving into an exciting project, building a creative app to reimagine your morning routine using a text-to-app platform. Now I've already created a video on this and I used a platform called Lovable.dev. Today I'll be using a relatively newer platform called Lovable. The website is Lovable.dev and we'll be seeing how I can create the same app using this platform instead of Bolt. And guess what? You don't need any coding skills to make this happen. So let's get started. I'll start off with the first prompt, which will be create an app that takes a list of tasks which form the user's morning routine and provides a new UI each day, as well as a creative narrative that describes the tasks. The narrative should be interesting and reframe how the user sees these tasks. The app should refresh every day at midnight depending on the user's selected time zone from a drop-down list. Add buttons to view the UI and the narratives of the previous and next days. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, interesting. We've just gotten an error. Just going to try that again. Okay, cool. So we've got a interface that was actually quite similar to Bolt. But so far this looks pretty cool. We've got the time zones here. Okay, we've only got we've got some of the most popular time zones, but we haven't got the entire list like we got with Bolt. But this is still pretty useful. Channel your inner zen as you move through these sacred morning rituals. Interesting. Okay, let's go with the previous day. As a modern day adventurer, your morning quest begins. Each task is a step towards unlocking your daily potential. Okay, interesting stuff. Like a skilled conductor orchestrating a symphony, you'll bring harmony to your day through these mindful actions. Nice. Okay, this makes a lot of sense, and it's pretty cool that I managed to get this just from the first prompt. What I'll do now is I'll add a feature to track task completion with a fun animation each time the user marks a task as done, such as a confetti burst or a flying star. Include a stats page showing weekly progress, like the percentage of tasks completed. Okay, let's see how we do with this. Okay, cool. It said it's encountered an error. Let's try and fix it. Okay, now it's saying the error has been fixed, which is cool.
Get it, Jay?
Cool, nice. It's even got the animation, which is pretty sweet. I know the animation created by Bolt was a bit more simplistic, but this is definitely slightly more advanced. Okay, and we've got the stats page here. Nice. Cool. Okay, sweet. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a final follow-up prompt. Add a library of themes the user can choose from, such as retro arcade, fantasy kingdom, and underwater adventure with matching visuals and sound effects. Okay, let's see what we get from this. Okay, interesting. Oh, the contrast on this is pretty bad. Let's go to another day. Okay, cool. These change nicely. Let's see what these are like. Okay, cool. The animation is still the same. Okay, cool. We've still got the time zones. The stats still there. Okay, cool. So this is pretty fresh. I think this is definitely, I would say this is better than Bolt, just because it's a bit quicker and it's also kind of better with the animations as well whenever you complete a task. Yeah, this was just an idea to show the sort of tasks that can be done with these kind of platforms and sort of apps that can be built. Let me know what you think of this, and if you really want to get ahead with AI, make sure you like, subscribe, and also consider joining my school community where I provide value to the members and we all share interesting developments on what's happening in the space right now. Thanks a lot for watching. See you all very soon.